back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, some attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.2, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see restricted is required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and gives the to enjoy the surroundings.